Hi there! If you want to create a newsletter on Gumroad, then you are at the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a newsletter on Gumroad. First, you have to go to Gumroad official website and log into your account. Then, from here, workflows, click on it and create new workflow. Then here you will find some options to create a name for your workflow like newsletter. Then down here you can set a trigger for your workflow like purchase, new subscriber, member cancels, new affiliate, abandoned cart. You can set whatever option goes with your workflow, then choose the compatible one. You also can set product that are listed as has bought or like here you can see you can add the product here and has not yet bought. Also you can set the subscribed after date and subscribed before date. After completing all these details, click on save and continue. And now you have to create a email for your workflow. You can communicate with the users with this email. Now set the pricing, subscribe pricing just for 0. I'm going to select it as free newsletter, and here you can set the time limit of subscriber, like hours after becoming a subscribe they will get this workflow message on their email. Now you can set a subject here, and for example and better understanding I'm putting a subject like today's tech. After completing this subject section, we need to put a personalized message for our users. We need to write down a personalized message that are fully optimized and attractive, that will attract the user to purchase your newsletter. You can write a perfect personalized message that will attract people by an expert who are expert in content writing. You can hire a content writer to write this. For example, I'm going to write this message for sake of this video, and now you can also bold this text from here. Also you can underline this, or you can make this text in italic style. Also you can attach any link, you can insert image here, and here attach file. You can attach any image or documents that you want to attach with this personalized message. For example, I'm going to enter the image which is in JPG format, and after loading you can see the picture is successfully added. After completing this session, click on save changes and click on publish now. Here you can see in this details, here in the workflow section you will find we have successfully created a workflow for our newsletter like today's take. This is our newsletter section, and this is our email and the topic that will include in our personalized message. You can edit your newsletter or your workflow with this pen icon. Also, if you want to delete a workflow, you can just click on this trash icon at the right of the pen icon. Then you need to go to the product section, click on products, and you need to add a new product. Click on new product button. You will find it upside of your screen, and from here you need to give a name for your product like newsletter. And down here you can see some category that by which you can categorize your products like digital product, course and tutorials, ebook, membership, physical goods, bundle, commission, call, coffee. Whatever you want you can select according to your product, but newsletter is a digital product, that's why we are selecting the digital product. Now it's time to select pricing. First we need to select the currency that we want to sell in, and if you want to give it a free, then you can set it 0.0. Also you can set amount if you want to make this service as paid service, then click on next, customize. Now from here you can select the name of your product and enter a descriptive description from here. Now it's time to set a URL. I'm going to select as newsletter, and if you want to add a custom domain for your product, you can enter the domain name here, and also you can set a cover photo from here. I'm going to set a image from my file, and it's loading, and you can see it is successfully loaded. It's a demo poster for this video, for this example. You can also add a thumbnail from here, and you can select a call to action. That's mean you can select a button that will include it in the newsletter, like I want this, buy this, or pay. You can select whatever you want. Now enter a summary. You need to enter a summary about your whole service. Like I'm going to add a summary for the sake of this video. Now if you want to add some additional details, click on this plus icon and you will set attribute and value. Also you can set another attribute and value, and if you want to delete it, click on this delete button, and here you can find integration section. You can invite your customer to a circle community. For this you need to paste a API token if you have a one. Then if you don't have, you can visit the circle.so/settings/API. Also you can integrate Discord with your product. You can invite your customer to a Discord server. For this you need to connect your Discord ID with this Gumroad account. Now here you need to select the pricing again. If you want to change it, then from here you can add another version of your service. From here you will find limit product sales, allow customers to choose a quantity, publicly show the number of sales on your product page, mark product as e-publication for VAT purpose, specify a refund policy for this product. If you want one of these, just toggle on this button and you will be able to add the feature on your product. Now let's enter a attractive description for our newsletter. I have a dummy content already made for this video, and I'm going to paste it here, and I'm going to edit it perfectly as I want. And don't forget to input some important keywords that will help you to reach more. After completing this product section, you just need to click on save and continue button at the top right corner, and from here in the content section you can enter your content, the newsletter, of course the newsletter for your users. I'm going to add a content as example for this video. After completing this section, click on publish and continue. In this section you can share your newsletter with people. You can share on X or Twitter and Facebook. Also you can copy the link from here, and you can add the profile and the other section you want to share. Now you need to set up a Gumroad fee. This fee will be work as your boost for this post on Gumroad. If you increase your Gumroad fee, they will increase the visibility of your product, and they will reach your product to people more and more according to your fee. Now after completing all these necessary steps, you just need to click on save changes button at the top right corner. You will see, then at the right side of your screen you will see a preview of your product, the newsletter. and here you can see the description, the title, and by this arrow button you will redirect it to the service page where your service is listed and how it's look like. You can check it out or take a preview of your product. Now you can see the details, the description, the button, the image, the pricing, and all the things, the summary, all the things that you have entered, and check it out for another time or twice or for a third time and find out if there is any issue. If don't, then you are good to go, and if you found any issue, then re-edit your service again. There we have it. That's how we can create a newsletter on Gumroad. Hope you found this video helpful. If you have any confusion left yet, then drop them in our comments below. We will be glad to help you. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.